We are all passionate about keeping our homes in perfect working order. Though, have you ever thought about investing in tech that can take your home to the next level? Today, we will be looking at several pieces of tech that can completely change the livability of your home. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with our future videos. And be sure to watch to the end to see one of the most amazing products we've ever covered. USSPA Swim Spa and COMBI. The USSPA Swim Spa and COMBI is a new type of spa that can be used for a variety of reasons. The spa is designed for the utmost comfort of the user, providing unparalleled relaxation, ease of use, and features. If you're looking to relax at the end of a long day, then this is the spa for you. However, if you are also an avid sports enthusiast, this spa has features that can help you exercise, stay in shape, and lose weight. The spa is equipped with a variety of high-powered jets that can instantly turn your spa into a workout device. Simply set the jets to the desired pressure and begin your daily workout. The idea behind these workouts is that the built-in jets can allow your pool to force water at you at speeds that equal a steady current of a river or stream. This allows you to swim against the current so that you can burn calories, build muscle mass, and stay in shape. When you're done exercising, just turn the system off and sit back to relax. This is truly an all-in-one device that can suit virtually any of your outdoor needs. TIELSA Kitchen. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home. It's where many memories are created and where you entertain guests while preparing a meal. Because of this, many homeowners feel that the kitchen is the most important room in their home. Because of this, a simple kitchen renovation can often dramatically raise the value of your home without costing a fortune. TIELSA Kitchen is a modern way to update your kitchen to bring all sorts of new tech into your home. This is a modular kitchen setup that can be arranged in a variety of ways to better suit the needs of your home or family. This kit can be purchased with a variety of design choices and technology so that you can rest assured your kitchen will always have the tech that you require. The cabinets and fixtures are combined with a unique flooring system that can track your movements and respond in real time. This can result in lights turning on and off as you approach them or walk away, the oven being ready when you walk up to it, or various other tasks that can save you time and effort. This kitchen design varies in cost dramatically, so if you're interested in purchasing a TIELSA kitchen remodel, just contact the manufacturer directly. LANGEN Coffee Table. The LANGEN Coffee Table is unlike any other table you have ever seen. This is a modular table that offers all sorts of features and storage compartments that you may not find in a typical home, let alone a typical coffee table. These tables appear to be hand-built and are designed to contain an all-in-one coffee-making solution. The table is equipped with a burner, a gas canister, a trash can, and so much more. The table can be used to store your coffee grounds or tea leaves, as well as all of your plates, sugar, and other accessories that you'll need to craft a good cup of tea or coffee. It also has a trash can located in the bottom so that you can store away any undesirables. In addition to this, the built-in burner means that you never have to leave the room to heat up your kettle. Just retrieve your kettle from one of the lower compartments, place it on the burner, and you're ready to go. Once you have brewed your coffee or tea, just pour it into one of the cups that can be stored in the side of the unit. We aren't sure how much these tables cost, but they've been prominently featured on a German YouTube channel owned by the creator, so you'll likely need to contact LANGEN directly to order one. GORTER Roof Hatches. A roof hatch has been considered a luxury commodity for many years. These hatches were invented decades ago, but they are as desirable today as they've ever been. A company known as GORTER has been designing hatches for over 20 years, and they have very nearly perfected the art of a roof hatch. These hatches are available in a variety of styles, including fireproof, waterproof, explosion-resistant, and insulated varieties. There's a hatch to suit whatever needs you may have, so you can purchase a hatch knowing that you are in the right hands. The idea of a roof hatch is to have easy access to your roof at any moment, similar to an attic hatch. These are perfect for homes or businesses with flat roofs that are suitable for entertaining guests. They're also great for roof-level balconies. They double as a skylight so that you can bring in extra lighting into your home without having to pay costly power bills. Pricing of a roof hatch can vary a lot depending on the style and complexity of the design, though GORTER seem to offer some of the best hatches on the market, so check them out if you get the chance. Magic Shower Head. This is a shower system that most of us likely only dreamed of. This is an outdoor shower unit that is perfect for use after a hot day in the garden, or for rinsing off after you've been in the pool, pond, or other body of water. Magic Shower Head can be equipped to virtually any home and is a relatively affordable solution for outdoor showering. Each of these units sell for about $400, making them one of the cheapest outdoor showers on the market. They can attach to any standard outdoor water supply and are built with 22 individual jets that can spray water on you. The water shoots out of the base of the unit rather than requiring a separate shower head or nozzle. The jets offer adequate water pressure for nearly anyone's needs, with the flow rate being adjustable on the controller unit. The shower will automatically activate when the system detects weight over about 15 kilograms. The water can spray anywhere from 2 meters to 4 meters into the air and can be adjusted for your height, weight, or desires. Lockley Secure Pro. Lockley is a premium digital door lock that can be equipped to any door with a standard deadbolt. This lock is used so that you don't have to worry about needing a key to get into your front door. You simply pair the device with your fingerprint or smart device so that you'll always have access to your home without needing a key. These locks have been getting increasingly popular in recent years, with countless manufacturers developing solutions for smart locks. This lock can be activated with your phone, fingerprint, password, or smart home devices such as Alexa or Google. It installs as easily as any other deadbolt and is ready to be used in minutes. This is certainly one of the more expensive digital deadbolt solutions, but it has more features than any other deadbolt on the market. For about $299, you're unlikely to find a better product on the market. GARDENSPIN. GARDENSPIN is a new type of staircase system that is designed to be used in homes or gardens with limited floor space. This staircase extends virtually straight up, meaning that you'll only need a minimal amount of space to install it. The staircase was designed to be used with rooftop balconies or for accessing the upper floor of your home. The pricing for these units varies by size, but they can be found for as little as $1,500 online. Installation is fairly straightforward, and a step-by-step video is available on the company website. This is the perfect solution for anyone who needs to install a stair system in their home, but doesn't have the space to install a standard staircase. The steel steps ensure that this staircase will last for many years. Ways In. Ways In is a device that all pet owners need in their home. This is an automated door system that can open and close a sliding glass door when the system detects that your pet needs outside. As your pet approaches the door, a sophisticated motion detection system will allow the door to unlock and open for you. Your pets can remain outside for as long as they desire, and the door will reopen when they return. The system can also be controlled by an infrared camera or through the company's app. The door connects to your home Wi-Fi network and can be controlled from virtually anywhere in the world so that you know your pets will always be happy and safe, even when you aren't home.